Yeah, so my grandmother, I would watch her, and everything had to do with like a mortar and pestle. A lot of very authentic but very homely food. Yeah, I'd come home and I'd taste it, so most of it's just from memory. You know, not even the ingredients are the same. It's kind of like just food memory, really.
Hello everybody, welcome to Chefs at Home. I'm Jay, this is Gil.
Yeah.
Welcome to my home kitchen where we make everything from scratch, show you how to make everything from scratch, hopefully make your home kitchen a little bit more approachable and a little bit friendlier. So Gil, you're here today showing us how to make your famous family larb.
Yeah.
Larb, right? L-A-R-B or L-A-A-B, depending.
L-A-A-B or L-A-A-P.
I love larb. I've had it at a couple Thai restaurants. I've never had homemade before, so I'm super excited for this.
Nice.
But yeah, why don't you tell us a little bit about it? Like, why are you making larb for us today?
I have very fond memories, you know, as a kid. Didn't eat meat for a while. When I did, this was like one of the slow introductions. For a long time, I didn't eat any of this. It was kind of like...
Yeah, I know you were mentioning to me you used to be like fully vegetarian as a young kid. Was it a semi-traumatic experience?
Yeah, a little experience where I didn't want to eat meat for a while, yeah. Yeah, there's something about watching our animals get, you know, like anything that we're eating, you develop a whole new respect for it.
Yeah.
You know,
so nowadays, do you think you've really grown that respect and now you're willing to use every part of the animal rather than just avoiding using an animal? Because I know you've also talked to me that you love charcuterie. That's a huge passion of yours. So yeah. That's a whole animal type of procedure right there.
Yeah, it is.
That's nice. Why don't you tell us a little bit about just your family connection to larb as well?
I would watch my grandmother make several different things, several different dishes, you know, and the mortar and pestle was always kind of like she would show me everything, and she would show me everything in a way that was kind of like black and white. As I grew older, you know, and actually grew into cooking some of this stuff, I didn't use her technique, well, not her technique, so to speak, but her black and white approach. A lot of what we have here today is my creation.
So this is going to be more like a stylized version of larb, not an exact replica of what you would find over in Thailand.
It's an unofficial national dish of Laos, and northern Thailand pulled it down. You know, like I think they adopted it from them. You know, don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure those are the facts. This dish, the way that I composed it is, of course, you know, we cook in California and we have everything all year round.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Awesome. You can just go like 100 miles away in one of the biggest farming communities in the entire country, growing every type of vegetable and fruit that we grow here in the United States, essentially.
Right. So we have access to like everything. And I think that kind of speaks loudly for the dish that we have today. So what I have today is I do have like a slight mix of maybe some northern Thai and southern Thai larb.
Nice. So can you tell us what we have here? Just a quick run through of all of our ingredients.
I have the ground pork cooked down, minced pork, which is really cooked down, and before we cook it, we toss it with sugar and a little bit of white pepper. We have our Thai chilies. We have our serrano chilies. This is our fish sauce.
Okay.
This is what we got going. Now, in Laos, they have a fish sauce called pai dek. I hope I'm saying that right. It's almost a staple of theirs to larb.
And so now this is a lot of fish sauce from what I'm used to. I usually use just a couple dashes of it.
So that's a cup. We probably won't use all of it, you know, but as you watch the video, you could see exactly how much we're left over with, you know, and I think that's the great thing about cooking at home.
Yeah,
is
exactly.
That, you get a general idea of what you're looking at, and then you can kind of, you know, wing what you want.
Yep. And the first time you make something isn't going to be the last time you make something. The
Absolutely.
second, third time you get to improve, you get to change.
Yeah.
You get to make it your own, really. That's the best part of cooking at home.
Okay, herbs. Now, another thing that's typically in a lot of larb is Thai basil. I do not use Thai basil in this. What I'm using is fresh mint. I have green scallion.
Pull one of those out so everybody can see it.
Yeah.
It's nice and curly.
So we got red onion. We have some fresh cilantro. We have fresh garlic. we have our fresh limes. Our fresh limes are going to be essential in making this not so spicy.
Yeah.
You know,
Seriously, you've got like three types of chilies here. It's
Yeah.
going to be a bit much.
and we do have our crushed chili. We also have our carrots that are julienne. We have our cabbage. This is also another cooling agent. Once you get a lot of these spices, you really want the balance. Really, like the most essential thing in a lot of Thai food. You have all of these extreme flavors, these extreme tastes, these kind of punch you in the mouth. What you're looking for is a balance in it, you know, and I think that's what's like so magical about
Right.
food, you know, is that you can find that balance, you know, and we're gonna see if we can find it today. Finally, we do
Yeah,
have,
that was a really interesting ingredient right there.
Yeah.
I'd never seen that before.
this is typically sweet rice.
Okay.
So what we did today was we used jasmine rice. Hopefully I didn't bastardize it too much for you guys. You know, I know there's a lot of hardcore traditionalists that love Larb and they will, you know, vehemently detest that. But like what we did was we toasted some jasmine rice and we got our mortar and pestle and we ground this stuff to a nice fine, almost couscous consistency, right?
It's really interesting.
Yeah, so it does have another accent and it's used as a topping.
It's like almost nutty. That's
Yeah.
cool. That's really cool.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and compose our salad because we do have everything that we need.
So do you mix it all up into a bowl, or do you just put piece by piece all together?
So let's go ahead and do it this way.
Man, you are so much more organized than I am when I do
I
these
know.
things. My setups are
Inspire
like
him, please.
a little crazy.
Got a nice big bowl right here.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to do a small version of this first so you can get a general idea of what it tastes like and then we'll mix the rest of it.
Okay. All right. Go. Go, go, go.
Me?
Go. Yes. Everybody
I
eat.
can do that.
Everybody eat.
Get your fork out of here. I need to focus on a specific bite. I'm trying to get.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
That was great. Now if we make the rest of it, walk me through this again.
Okay, go ahead.
We're gonna do. I'm just
Add
gonna
the
make
rest of it.
all of it.
Yep. Put it all in.
Pork,
More pork.
all of this.
Yes.
Probably chili.
Hell yeah.
Chili. Yeah.
All of this.
No.
Get out of here.
And then let's go for some red
All of
onion. All of it.
Yeah.
Understood.
Mm-hmm.
Garlic. We'll
Yeah.
reserve just a little bit for final garnish. All of the carrots.
Oh, so good.
We're gonna put it on like a family style platter. So we're gonna need some mint. Is it cool if I toss in a
Yeah.
little bit of mint now? And then where are the tongs? There we go. So
So you're going to be adding, yeah, go ahead. Yeah. So I'm talking about.
pretty heavy on that fish sauce.
Yes.
All
that's what
right.
we want.
And then let's take just a touch of the cilantro here. Work that up, throw that in. Alright, and then you just massage vigorously.
Yes. I like a vigorous massage.
And it's all macerated
Yeah,
nicely
good.
together.
So let's lay down, before we do that, let's lay down some cabbage on the bottom.
Oh, okay. Let's try to make this one party.
Yes.
Oh,
One scoop.
there.
That's beautiful.
Oh my gosh, this is looking great. Take the last little bit. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is just
And then if we
sight.
take all the garnishes.
Herbs and,
Oh my god.
yes.
Killing me softly. I turn around and I see a mountain of larb.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, we did it.
This came out. I think this is probably the coolest thing we've made on the channel so far. Oh my goodness. Oh, a little bit of garlic.
Yeah, fresh garlic.
Yeah. Oh, Lord. And now I want to do one of these too. This looks like the most fun part of the whole dish.
Yeah.
Wow. This,
And of course, if the heat isn't enough, you can always add the serrano chilies that we did slice. Thank you guys.
yeah, no, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
That looks fantastic. I can't wait to dig into it.
It's a pleasure being here.
I hope you had fun.
I did.
We really appreciate you coming by and showing us what you got. This thing is insanity, like truly. We're super stoked for this. I'm gonna get a couple plates here. We say our goodbyes real quick. Just want to thank you again, Gil. You showed us this amazing, just one last, everybody, if you can see this thing, this amazing Larb dish straight from LA, Thailand, Laos area. Seriously, dude, this was so much fun. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for showing us what we got.
I appreciate it. I really do.
So as we dig in, thank you all for watching. I hope you all really enjoyed this video as much as we had. I hope you had as much fun watching as we did making this video. If you really liked it, hit that like button. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button, which is, I think it's over here.
Might be.
Yeah, it might be up there.
It's in here.
It's in here.
This is
But
where you subscribe.
Like, subscribe, share our videos, hit the notification button to know whenever we post a new video, and we'll see you all next time.
Grilled cheese sandwiches.
Grilled cheese sandwiches, it's right!
Yeah.
Bye!
Thank you.